What makes you happy? Is it money, success, a beautiful trip, or simply spending time with someone you love? Hello everyone, and welcome to Speak English with me. Today, we are going to talk about a beautiful feeling that everyone knows. Happiness. But what is happiness? Happiness is a feeling of joy, comfort, and peace. It is the feeling we have when something good happens, or when we enjoy a special moment in our lives. The interesting thing is that happiness is different for everyone. We all have different things that bring a smile to our faces. For some people, happiness comes from money. They feel happy when they have enough money to buy something they need, help their family. For other people, happiness comes from success. Maybe they pass an important exam, get a new job, or finally reach a goal they worked hard for. They enjoy visiting a new country, seeing beautiful places, trying new food. Some people find happiness in traveling. But happiness does not always need to be something big. Sometimes, very simple things can make us happy. Reading a good book, drinking a cup of coffee, listening to our favorite music, or sitting quietly can make a normal day feel special. For some people, happiness comes from faith. Reading the Quran, praying, or spending quiet time with Allah can give them a deep feeling of peace and comfort. Family is another important source of happiness. Visiting your parents, sitting with your family, or talking to someone you love can make your heart feel warm. And of course, friends can bring happiness too. Sometimes, we do not need anything special. We just need to sit with good friends, talk, laugh. So, happiness can come from many different places. It can come from money, success, travel, faith, family, friends, or even a small moment that makes us smile. But there is an interesting question. Do we have to wait for something outside us to make us happy? Maybe you wake up in the morning and see beautiful sunlight through your window. Maybe you hear your favorite song, eat a delicious meal, or receive a kind message from someone you love. We can also become a source of happiness for ourselves. We do not always have to wait for other people to make us happy. We can take care of ourselves, enjoy our favorite things, and give ourselves time to rest. We can also create happiness for other people. A smile, a kind word, a small gift, or a simple phone call can make someone feel loved. Of course, this does not mean that we must be happy every day. Life has difficult days too. Sometimes we feel tired, sad, worried, or disappointed. And that is completely normal. Maybe it is about noticing and enjoying what we already have. So now, I have a question for you. What makes you happy? Is it money, traveling, success, reading the Quran, visiting your family, spending time with your friends, eating your favorite food, or receiving a nice gift? And here is another question. Can you be a source of happiness for yourself, or do you prefer happiness to come from other people? Tell me your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Speak English with me for more easy English lessons. Thank you for watching, and remember, sometimes, a small happy moment can make a big difference. See you in the next lesson.
Bye.